Betty, go move it the way, Betty.
Look, there's your new friends. Look. Oh yeah, no.
What was that?
It was pigeons. Too worried about pigeons. Right, you ready to?
I'm here. I'm here to record. Here we go. The chickies are about to come out. Who's opening it? Am I opening it? And come on out. Oh, I was expecting a bigger reaction than that. Here we go.
Isn't it pretty?
I'm very interested.
Such lovely little chickens. And such lovely new friends.
Look at these furry feet.
And look at all the poop it's done. It's an awful lot of poop. How do you like the new chickens? Do you like them? We haven't thought of a name yet. What do you want to call them? What do you want to call our little chickies? We name the chickens, huh? What should we name the chickens? Okay, you get to choose. What do you want? Do you want Princess Clucker? Do you want Omelette? Or do you want Kylo Hen? What about, hey, what about Chickaletta? Yeah! Woo! Goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye. Hello, Lily. Hi. Hello, Lily. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Are you wanting to say goodbye too? You wanting to say goodbye too? Okay, let's say goodbye. Let's say goodbye. 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 And goodbye, reindeer. You're soon dead. Let me see the reindeer. There you go. There you go. Yes, she's not showing them trees. Bye bye.